these are things, everybody's got stuff in their life, but these come out of your no field because early in life, your connection to trusting that you are a divine part of creation, and you don't have to work for that. You don't have to excel. You just have to be you. Well, that's a tough thing to learn because it's not supported in our culture. Those kinds of dynamics come from what I describe as the no energy field. Now, one of the things I find really interesting about culture where we are today, did you ever notice that all of the computer, most of the computer technology, your phone, your tablet, your stereo equipment, your television, everything's black? Do you ever wonder why everything's black? There's so many other colors in the world. Now, what you see on the screens, what you hear, that's a different story. But the structures in which all of that information comes to you, all black. Just notice that, because that is a hallmark of the no field. So when you're looking at your computer screen and your laptop and your cell phone, and you're looking at these black colors, you are actually sitting in the frequency of the no field. And this is not by accident. So that means you have to do a little bit of extra work to keep yourself out of the no field. Now, then there's this combination of the yes-no energy field. And when you're in yes-no energy field, you have enough internal sense of information about who you are that allows you to flow and feel yourself and find avenues to protect the core of who you are, like I did, reading books and making art and looking into microscopes. That was a way for me to be safe. And so I was able to keep some part of me sacred and untouched, which was my birthright bliss that everyone has from the yes field. Because honestly, you don't get into this world with a body unless you've been started by some moment of bliss between two other human beings, male sperm and female ovum, even if that happened in a test tube. So you can't take your birthright bliss for granted. And it is bouncing between the yes and no field that is so destabilizing to human beings, because we're not sure whether it's going to be fight or flight or freeze, because to modulate your energy, you have to know what it is, where it is, how it works, and how you have conversations with it. When they start teaching this in school, I'm going to go back to work. So most people's most important question is not what's really going on here, which should be the number one question, or the second most important question, what if? Majority of us, when we're asking questions that have an emotional component, very often we're asking why. And that why is coming from an emotional reaction and some way to frame a story that the mind can say, okay, I've got some control over my feelings here. And this ends up putting us in stuck energy. So we're going to talk about the past and its impact, because it is quantum math. Why does this? Whenever you start with why, you are setting yourself up for a story proof of lost energy and lost love, and that these will continue to add up. That's why you need to know about the no-yes field and how to move yourself and how to interact with your own energy field so that you don't get stuck in the why quantum math. Now, when we get into the no field, this is the worst. This is the coal mine. This is the black space of nothing, neg entropy, because you really now have become completely disconnected from your own sense of your internal core and your instinct and your tuition and how to feel it when energy flows freely in a share co-creative fashion. So when we get stuck in neg entropy, we then are placed in everything is no. Everything is no. It's why, and if it's why, it's no. And maybe you know someone in your life that You remember Pigpen in the Peanuts cartoon series? He always had a cloud around him that looked like this. And he was a representative of a kid who was stuck in the no field. And we don't know what was going on in Pigpen's house, but I'll bet it wasn't good. So when you are feeling in this no field, you are in despair, you are depressed, you can't make connection, you are lonely, and you believe, because of the way energy works and that you don't know how to transition your own energy field, you may actually come to believe that there's something wrong with you.